First look down, 726 a while back. Look down, it's 3999. Look down, it's 1515 a second ago. Where do I start? 81. 75 in front of me. It's 18. First it was 18 minutes. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 5 license plate. I look down, it's 17. First 18 miles, 18 minutes. 17 miles, 17 minutes. It's 17 on my dash right now. It's actually just 17 over 17 on my dash. That's twice. That comes at me every day. That's fake. That's real. Well, I forgot I even had it there. You can't see where it says Rapture of the Saints in the video. I didn't mean to do it. There it is. There it is! Whoop! Lago, lago, lago! Jaga. I mean, the odds are just... Woo! 2107 right now, my guy. Paging out.